Hello, good evening friends. My name is Ramnik Sharma from Asia Pacific Group Melbourne headquarters. I am a registered migration agent. Today I made this video to clear some concept about assessment. You may have heard assessment. So I want to show some key factors and the reason why assessment is so important as compared to ATH, NATI, point-based system, employer-sponsored visas. I will try to fit the data in short video, but make sure to contact a professional registered migration agent before deciding anything. Let's move on. So in general, majority of the permanent visas contains in point-based systems 189, 190, 491, employer-based visa 186 direct entry 494, exception is 186 TIT. So once you want to apply any kind of this visa which requires point-based, employer and occupation list whatsoever, there is a line, there is a bar. We need to cross this one, and this is actually the assessment. If we don't have an assessment, whatever the points you have, whoever the employer is ready, we cannot apply it. We need to crack the assessment, which is most important. Assessment is governed by the assessment bodies which government regulates. So cracking the assessment, actually cracking the number of the visas. Assessment is actually assessing your skills. Government is not looking people like Ramnik where you are standing. They are actually looking the occupation, engineer, doctor, painter. So we need to get our skill assessed in that occupation, which actually assessment means. So you can see assessment comes up from two things, qualification and experience. Some occupation requires qualification only, some occupation requires experience and qualification. So for the sake, I am just adding both, qualification and experience. Let's say you have a qualification XYZ, you have an experience 1 year or 2 year, 3, you are qualified for the assessment. We are not worried about which occupation right now. It is actually what you have already achieved so far in your life. Either overseas experience, your spouse experience, yourself. So based on your qualification and experience, simple, crack the assessment. Once you crack the assessment, you will apply the PR. Now the problem here is you don't know what kind of qualification and what kind of experience makes sense. I will give you some example. Welder. A people come, spouse is working as a welder, being a secondary applicant for continuous 3 years, and they does not know with that 3 years of experience, it becomes a qualification and we can get assessment and go jump there. Or you have an experience but not qualification. So we'll get a certificate, get the qualification, experience is already there, assessment done. Now, welder, painter, chef, restaurant manager, hairdressing, bachelor of computer science, these kind of occupations which I frequently see, people are not aware they are qualified. Either they are totally focused on their master course, spouse is working somewhere, why not get the assessment? They came from India or Pakistan or any other country, they have an experience of 5 years or 3 years as a restaurant manager. We can get the assessment. So the idea behind this video is to make you aware about the assessment. Your qualification and experience can lead to the assessment. And then we can sort out this permanent type of visas. Hopefully you find this informative and you feel that something which you have qualified or experienced can lead to an assessment and eventually to the PR pathways. Please contact us at our Melbourne headquarters. We are here to help you guys. Thank you.